The trucking industry is evolving rapidly with smarter, safer, and more efficient technologies. In this video, we'll showcase 10 incredible truck innovations that are transforming the future of transportation. From advanced safety systems and intelligent braking technology to futuristic trailers and innovative cargo handling solutions, these breakthroughs are redefining performance, productivity, and efficiency. You'll discover cutting-edge engineering that improves freight movement, enhances driver safety, and maximizes operational reliability. Whether you're a trucking enthusiast, a technology fan, or simply fascinated by powerful machinery, these next-generation innovations are sure to impress. Stay with us as we count down the most remarkable trucking technologies shaping the future of commercial transport. The Komodo 3-axle side-extending trailer is an innovative heavy-haul transport solution designed to carry oversized loads with greater flexibility and efficiency. Its expandable platform extends sideways to accommodate wide cargo while remaining compact for normal road travel. Built with a durable 3-axle chassis and hydraulic side extensions, it adapts easily to various transport requirements. The combination of a strong frame and reliable air/steel suspension ensures excellent stability, durability, and load support under demanding conditions. The Komodo trailer is a versatile, dependable choice for specialized logistics, construction, and heavy equipment transportation. The LEGUAN TATRA 10x10 combines rugged off-road performance with advanced engineering, transforming a heavy-duty truck into a rapid bridge-laying system for demanding terrain. Built on a durable Tatra 10x10 chassis, it features a 340 kilowatts diesel engine, an armored cab, and independent suspension for outstanding mobility and crew protection. Capable of deploying modular bridges up to 26 meters long within minutes, it supports fast operations in difficult environments. Its rapid deployment, versatility, and user-friendly operation make it an invaluable solution for military engineering missions, emergency response, and disaster relief logistics. The Siimet M3-64 is a rugged 3-axle low-loader trailer built for transporting heavy machinery and specialized equipment, including forestry machines. Its 3-meter-wide deck and low 45-centimeter loading height simplify loading while improving stability during transport. With an impressive payload capacity of approximately 55 tons, it handles demanding heavy-haul applications with ease. Designed for durability and reliable performance across challenging terrain, the M3-64 reflects Siimet's commitment to practical engineering and efficient industrial transport solutions. The BPW HESTAL CargoMaster is an innovative load-securing system that improves safety and efficiency during truck and trailer cargo handling. Instead of using traditional straps thrown over loads, its patented sliding rail and expander rope system allows straps or nets to be positioned easily from the roof. This reduces loading time, minimizes climbing, and lowers the risk of workplace accidents. The organized lashing system adapts to cargo of different sizes and shapes, making daily transport operations faster, safer, and more efficient for drivers and fleet operators. The Freightliner Cascadia mirror cam system is an advanced safety technology that replaces traditional side mirrors with a high-definition camera and monitor system. Cameras mounted above the cab doors stream live video to 3 high-resolution interior displays, providing drivers with a wider field of view, fewer blind spots, and improved overall visibility. Infrared imaging and hydrophobic lens coatings help maintain clear vision during rain, fog, and nighttime driving. By eliminating bulky mirrors, the streamlined camera design also reduces aerodynamic drag, contributing to improved fuel efficiency. The system integrates with advanced driver assistance features, including side guard assist, to provide real-time alerts and enhance situational awareness. Combining improved visibility, greater safety, and better efficiency, the mirror cam system represents a major innovation in modern commercial trucking technology. The DAL Logo 12 is a durable and efficient semi-trailer engineered for long-distance timber transport. Built with a FEM-optimized high-strength steel frame and a low tear weight of approximately 5.3 tons, it maximizes payload capacity while maintaining excellent stability and off-road performance. Its modular design supports optional features such as lift and steering axles, advanced load-securing systems, and camera technology, allowing it to adapt to various transport requirements. Whether operating on rugged forest roads or highways, the Logo 12 delivers dependable performance, durability, and cost-effective efficiency for demanding timber and heavy-haul logistics.
The Harsh HH6 hook loader is a versatile truck-mounted system that transforms a standard chassis into an efficient load-handling solution. With a 6-ton lifting capacity and a low-profile Z-frame design, it provides excellent stability while loading and unloading containers measuring 3.8 to 4.3 meters in length. Its hydraulic system, powered by a PTO or optional remote control, ensures smooth, safe operation without requiring the operator to leave the cab. Ideal for waste management, landscaping, and multi-purpose applications, the HH6 increases productivity, flexibility, and operational efficiency. The BPW Active Reverse Control is an advanced trailer steering system that greatly improves maneuverability in tight spaces. By adding electro-hydraulic steering to BPW self-steering axles, it enables automatic steering while reversing at speeds of up to 10 km per hour. This makes backing into loading docks and confined areas easier, safer, and more precise. The compact, lightweight, plug-and-play system also helps reduce tire wear, lower fuel consumption, and improve overall operating efficiency. With smartphone integration for setup and diagnostics, BPW Active Reverse Control is a practical innovation that enhances productivity and simplifies modern logistics and heavy-haul transport operations. The PALFINGER PK 92002SH is a versatile hook lift system designed to enhance truck productivity in urban and commercial applications. Built for 18 to 21-ton GVW chassis, it offers a 14-ton lifting capacity and efficiently handles skips measuring approximately 3 to 4.5 meters in length. Wide telescopic arms and smooth hydraulic controls enable fast, precise loading, unloading, and tipping, even in confined spaces or with poorly positioned containers. Optional features such as radio remote control, truck communication systems, and silent operating mode improve safety, operator comfort, and overall efficiency, making the PK 92002SH a reliable solution for demanding daily operations. The DAF Advanced Emergency Braking System is an innovative safety feature standard on DAF LF, CF, XF, and newer generation trucks. Designed to help prevent collisions or reduce their severity, it detects both stationary and moving vehicles at speeds of up to approximately 80 km per hour. Using high-precision radar and, on newer models, additional cameras, the system continuously monitors the road ahead. If a potential collision is detected, it provides audible and visual warnings before automatically applying the brakes when the driver fails to respond. With a detection range of up to 250 meters and a wide field of view, the system significantly improves driver awareness, confidence, and overall road safety in everyday driving conditions. The EX9 Unmanned Transport robot introduces a new level of innovation to modern logistics. This fully electric driverless yard tractor uses advanced AI and computer vision technology to autonomously identify docks, map yard environments in real time, and perform trailer pickups and drop-offs with exceptional accuracy. In real-world operations, it has increased drop and hook efficiency by 20% while reducing greenhouse gas emissions by up to 94% compared with traditional diesel yard trucks. Its compact design and remote monitoring capabilities enhance both safety and operational flexibility. For logistics centers seeking greater efficiency, reduced emissions, and intelligent automation, the EX9 stands out as a truly game-changing solution for the future. Kodiak driverless robo-trucks bring the future of freight transportation into today's logistics industry. Built on Kodiak's 6th-generation platform, these Class 8 trucks feature fully redundant braking, steering, and power systems, making them purpose-built for autonomous operation rather than simple driver assistance. Their advanced sensor pods, mounted where mirrors traditionally sit, combine LiDAR, radar, and camera technologies to provide long-range awareness and easier maintenance. What makes these trucks especially remarkable is their proven real-world performance. 2 vehicles operating in the Atlas Energy Solutions fleet in Texas have successfully delivered industrial sand on public roads without drivers. For companies aiming to reduce labor costs, improve asset utilization, and enhance safety, Kodiak's robo-trucks offer a practical and industrial-grade solution. This is more than futuristic technology, it's autonomous trucking already delivering on its promise. The Benalu Slidoor represents a smart advancement in semi-trailer design, particularly for operations where space is limited.
Unlike traditional rear swing doors that require significant clearance, the Slidoor system automatically unlocks and slides the door panels along the trailer body using specialized actuators, rails, and worm screw mechanisms. This allows trailers to be parked side by side without sacrificing access. By minimizing the door sweep area, the system improves safety and increases efficiency during loading and unloading in busy logistics yards. Inspired by existing concepts but engineered with unique mechanical solutions, the Slidoor addresses a practical challenge with elegance, making it a standout innovation for modern transport operations and confined work environments.